All right, today we're going to continue working with our T numbers and using 10 frame, two 10 frames, so there's 20 here, and writing equations. So today we're going to focus on the numbers 14 and 15. So let's go over our DLO and we'll get to practicing. Today I will make the numbers 14 and 15. Now it's your turn. Today I will make the numbers 14 and 15. Said that last one a little bit fast, sorry. What I have here is a double 10 frame. So in the warm-up video it talks about having a double 10 frame. So here's a 10 frame here, here's a 10 frame here. At home you can get a piece of paper and draw this and practice with your counters and then put it in one of your sleeves that you've got in there. And it's a nice tool to have when working with our T numbers, because it can break up the number to help us compose an equation and later when we decompose, which is break apart. So we're going to be composing using equations and our 10 frames to make 14 and 15. So just like we've been doing the last couple days, is using counters, sorting them into groups, and using the groups to help us write an equation. So first, I want to draw some pictures in here. I'm drawing pictures today because my magnets won't stay. So that's why I'm drawing pictures today. So I'm going to make a group. And when you're doing it in your book, you can either use two different colors for one group of 10 a color and then the other group a different color, or you could just use one color. It's up to you. All right, so I'm going to draw some circles in my frames, and then we're going to make an equation out of it. So in a 10 frame, if it's full, how many are there? 10. So if this 10 frame is full, then that means there's 10, because in a 10 frame, there are 10 windows. So let's come on down here. When the 10 frame is full, we start a new 10 frame. Let's see how many I have. In this 10 frame, I have 10 because it's full. So I'm going to write that down. I've got 10 plus, how many do I have in this group down here? So the top 10 frame is a group, and then the bottom part is a group. How many are in my other group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have one group of 10 up here and one group of 5 down here. So if I were to finish my equation and solve it, I can do two things. I can count up from the 10 frame and count the dots, or I can put the larger number in my head and put them in my hand. We're going to use both strategies. Let's do counting up. So I've got 10. Let's count up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A 1 and a 5. Numbers in the teen, they start with a 5. The other strategy I could use is I wrote my equation based on the two groups that were in the picture. I'm going to put 10 in my head because 10 is greater than 5, and I'll put 5 in my hand. Now I'm going to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's the sum that I got. Let's do another one. I'm going to fill up my 10 frame. There's 10 windows in a 10 frame, so I know there's 10 there. Now let's see what we have here. How many are in my first group? 10. The 10 frame is full. There are 10 windows. The first group is 10. So I'll start by writing 10. There's 10 in my first group. Now I need to look at my second group. How many are in my second group? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're composing, so we're writing an equation. 10 plus 4 equals how many? What is our sum? Let's count up. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a 1 and a 4. The other strategy is we could use our head and our hand. We have a group of 10 in our head because 10 is greater than 4. Put 10 in your head, 4 in your hand. Let's count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is our sum, 14. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 more. Let's try this one. going to have my equation, and then I'm going to draw it. So what if I have 10 plus 5 equals 15? What do I know? Based on my equation, what is it telling me? How many groups do I have here? There's a group of 10 and a group of 5. My sum is 15. That's the total. I need to draw a group of 10 and then a group of 5. I'm always going to start with a group of 10 first because 10 is the greater number and it fills up a 10 frame. So I need a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got my group of 10. Now I need a group of 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew my 5, my group of 5 down below because the top frame was full. I needed to start a new 10 frame. So I've got a group of 10 and a group of 5. So I made that equation. Easy? I think it's getting easier for you guys. Just pay attention to how many are in each group. Let's do one more. 10 plus 4 equals 14. I've got two groups. I have a group of 10 and a group of 4. I need to draw my group of 10 and a group of 4 on my 10 frames. First, a group of 10. 10 will fill up one whole 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got that group done. Now I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. My group of 10 on top. My group of 4 just below. I've got 10 plus 4 with my sum of 14. So now it's your turn. You're going to be in your Envisions Volume 2 today, beginning on page 393. You will have the dots up here. You are not going to do